Hi everyone, I'm Natasha Matthias and I welcome you to Celeb Looks 101. Today I'm going to recreate Deepika Padukone's wedding makeup look. So this is how I recreated Deepika Padukone's wedding look. I hope you like it.
Hey everybody, this is Chirag Bamor and today you're watching me on Celeb Looks 101, and what I'm going to recreate for you today is one of the most amazing glamorous looks that you would ever see, which was adorned by Deepika Padukone for a Met Gala. today I just recreated one of the most amazing looks for you on Celeb Looks 101, which Deepika Padukone adored at the Met Gala.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers. Celeb Looks Originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.